What's going on, everybody? Stein's Auto Care. The question I get a lot is, can you buff this out? So we're going to go into that today. Some of you may know, many of you may not, but your paint is made up of several very thin layers. It's paper thin in most cases. If you've seen any of my other videos where I measure the paint, it's incredibly thin to put on there. So here is a cutaway diagram, so to speak, of your vehicle's paint job. Start at the bottom of the body, where we got the primer, the paint, and the clear coat. Now let's put some damage in there. Some light nicks. There's a sun shining off of them. Some swirl marks. A deeper gouge. Actual scratching with the paint. And some tar and iron contamination. So we got all this stuff on your paint. Alright. There's a couple things you can do about this. The contamination, you can clay it. And these scratches will cover what levels of polishing may or may not remove these scratches. So first up, we got a light buff. It's going to remove like light swirl marks, some love marks from drying it off. Nothing too crazy. But we also get some of that contamination off there and make the paint feel smooth again. So in the process of polishing, you're kind of exfoliating the paint surface. And with that, you're taking some of it with. So here's a good look. You can see that line. That's how much clear coat's being shaved off to get those scratches out. You can see that initial little green blob there is where we started. And here's a multi-step correction. This would involve hours and hours of polishing. We're trying to win car shows here, or we're trying to preserve something gorgeous and then keep it inside with a ceramic coat on it. So speaking of ceramic coats, let's talk about sacrificial protection, the layer that we're going to put on top of what's left of your paint now. So first we got waxes. As you can see, it kind of fills in the little scratches, but doesn't last very long anyway. So the products I like to use most are sealants and ceramics. As you can see there, sealant doesn't really fill the scratches, but it'll last longer and it's a little more durable. And you got the ceramic coat, which again will not fill the scratches. It'll kind of lock them in if they are in there, which is why we polish beforehand. But it'll last the longest. For IGL coatings now, they have warranties, so it'll be worth it. Thanks for watching. Any questions? Stein's Auto Care, Facebook, Instagram, Gmail. Take care.